next to you with every rhyme. I am the songwriter who seems to write your life in every line. I am the simple truths that shaped your world from your birth. I am the vast volumes of knowledge spanning all across the earth. I am the whisper of the wind you feel but cannot see. I am the Alpha and Omega, first and last eternal. Child whose simple faith is ever sure. I am the parent's love, unchanging, unconditional and pure. I am the loyal friend whose heart will never let you down. I am the hand that pulls you back into the boat before you drown. The thunder and the glory and the blinding light. I am the still small voice that tells you what is wrong and what is right. I am the sacrificial lamb, a guilty world reviled. I am the father ever waiting for his lost and wayward child. You can't see me. The resurrection and the life that's away and the fight I
righteousness hour and the fourth man you see in the midst of the fire. I am the giver of life and the promise of Israel. I am the hope of the lonely and lost, and the blood running down to the foot of the cross. I am the breaking of chains and the tolling of freedom's bell. I am the notes that eternally ring and the music too holy for angels to sing. I am the fire on the altar consuming the sacrifice. I am the freeing and I am the one in the grace of the Father and death of the Son. I am